Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get and use the Bloop Whistle in Fisch Roblox. So first of all, you need to join Fisch and then you need to load into the main map. Now the Bloop Whistle is a special item, so you won't find it in the starting area automatically. You need to explore the location to correct NPC or the shop that sells or gives it. Now you need to head to the main hub area and look for the item shop or the trader NPC. So when you are able to find the shop, simply open the shop and then you just have to look for that particular item. You need to scroll through the items list in order to find the bloop whistle. Now, if it is locked, that means you need to complete a requirement first, like reaching a certain level or unlocking a zone or finishing a small quest. Now, if it is an event item, you can go to the event NPC and complete their tasks. These tasks usually involve catching the specific fish, collecting the items, or even farming a certain area. So once the requirement is completed, you need to return to the NPC and claim the bloop whistle. Now after you get it, you need to open your inventory by using these options here in the bottom. Now you just have to equip the bloop whistle when you get it. So to use it, you just have to tap or click the whistle item and activate it. The whistle normally works as a summon or trigger item, meaning it can call a special event, spawn something, or increase your chances for certain fish depending on what the whistle is linked to in your version of the game. So you need to use it in the correct area where the whistle is meant to work. If you use it in the wrong location, nothing will happen. So that's how you will get and use the Bloop Whistle in Fisch Roblox. Simply unlock it from the shop or NPC, equip it in your inventory and activate it in the correct zone. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.